Alrighty, Truck a Real Deal here. This is a very quick short video. Mr. Steering Wheel Holder, I know that you watch my channel. I thank you for coming on the channel, commenting. Thank you for your accolades on the video about the lighting for the Classic. Now I know you asked in the comment section about how to change out the speedometer. This goes for anybody else that wants to know how to change out the speedometer on a Freightliner Classic, which is FLD 132, FLD 132 XL, as well as the FLD 120. It's a very straightforward, simple process. I actually did not change my speedometer. It was already in the truck when I got it, but I have a plethora of extra parts. So I'm gonna take you guys here. So we're gonna have Exhibit A right here. So in order to get this off of the truck, you're gonna have your 4 bolts, Torx bits. T20 is what you're gonna need. T20, you should have a couple of them lying around your truck, whether it be like these, the little flip up ones. This is gonna be a very crucial tool during your ownership of your Freightliner FLD series. Now, you're gonna remove the 4 bolts that hold this in. Okay, now, so we're gonna, I've cut the wires that came off the parts truck. So now, okay, we pull it on out. This is what we have now. Mess of wires, I know. So this right here is a speedometer. So, you'll go ahead, you'll unplug the harness out. Now you're left with this bracket right here, okay? See this bracket? Okay. Now we're gonna take the same T20, back this on out. Take this bracket out, it's 1 bolt. Then we have 2 bolts. The bracket now, pretty much you can lift it right off of there. See, bracket. Now, you just slide your speedometer, and there you go. So, this video is made specifically for you, Mr. Steering Wheel Holder, or Mrs. I'm pretty sure you're a Mr., but don't want to be on the hook for calling you the wrong gender. This is the easy, simple procedure on how to change out a speedometer or a tachometer in these FLD series trucks. Installation, reverse or removal. Put it back in. Okay, see, look, it lines up right here. Now you see, it's not going in, right? There's a tab right here at the bottom. So now watch this, we line this tab up. Clicks right in. You can't mess this up. Put that back in. You put your bracket, line your bracket back up. All right, we're gonna put our screws back in. Excuse the nail clicking, that's my dogs in the background. Line this one up right here. I'll tighten this down. Tighten both of those back down. And look, we're back good to go. Everything is back in there like it should be. Put it back in your truck, take your harness, plug it back in, and that's all she wrote. Thank you guys for stopping by.